In activity 18A, you work for a shop selling office supplies called Easy as ABC using a suitable database package, which is Access. Import the file stationery in .csv. Use these data types for each field. Okay. Field name, code, type of product to be sold, description of the product to be sold, quantity of items in each pack, color, sales price, purchase price, discount. Okay. In here, as you see here, we have to do as the same as in task 18A. We have to change the inappropriate data field or the field names. So we have to create appropriate and meaningful field names for those fields. Use the code field as your primary key. He asked me to add this code. Where is the code? Here. In this time, we select code as primary key, and we will not let Access to create primary key for us. So we have to select this field code as primary key and then save our database. As we mentioned before, we can change the name of the field from the Excel workbook because the .csv, when you open this file, by using double click on it, it will be opened in the Excel and you can change the name of the field or the name of the column. And then save it with a new name, and then it can import it in Access and change the data type. Okay, but we can do it by after import our file in the database. So I can go to Access, our Access here, and I can go to external, new file, text file from our folder, and then stationery, and then open, and then keep the first in selection, don't change it. Okay, as you see, it's delimited with comma, leave it as it is, comma, next. So it will split it to columns, and then tick to split and detect the field names, and next. And then you can change the data type from here for each field, but we said that we prefer to select and change it from here. Code is a long integer, as you see, 2, 3, 3, 6, 4, or whatever. Type of product is short text, as you see. I can move this. Description is text, leave it as it is. And he said, of course, in data type is text, long integer. Okay, numeric integer, which means long integer. This is the quantity of items. Long integer, I keep it as it is. Color, text, sales price. He said numeric, the type is currency, 2 decimal places. Okay, I can select the sales price as currency and the purchase price as currency. Okay, and discount, Boolean or logical, yes or no. He didn't mention yes or no or anything or true or false or 0 minus 1 or something like this, which means that you can keep it as checkbox as it is, okay? But I will repeat how to change it to yes or no to keep it in your mind and memorize it. So I can say, okay, next, choose my own primary key, not let access add primary key. So I choose my primary key, whatever here or here or here. But he said in my, I have to choose code in my example, in the activity. Yes, next, and finish. Okay, this is my table. I can close this. Here, this is my code, is primary key. When you go on tab, design view, you can see that key, which display that code field is primary key. This is the key icon, okay? And as you see, long integer, I leave it. And the next one, short text, number, quantity of items, example, quantity of items, long integer, yes. Text, currency, as we mentioned before, we have to confirm this is currency, and then 2 decimal places, as he mentioned in the question, 2 decimal places, and then the other currency, the same, okay, format, no, places as currency. I didn't change the decimal places. I have to change it to decimal places, and then yes or no. Yeah, I have to select from general tab here, yes or no. And then I go to lookup in the same time. Instead of going and navigate the design and sheet, so the text box. So you can save it and go to your sheet, and you can see everything is accurate. Click on the corner, left top corner, and auto fit. All your data is fully visible. Okay, that's it. Thank you.